Hello, friends. This is a standard cloth mask. I've been wearing them for several months now, and I've wondered, are they really stopping particulates? So I ran a little experiment. Come along and see what I learned. This is the same mask, but now we're viewing it under a black light, or an ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light makes some things fluoresce or glow very brightly. This spray bottle is filled with a phosphorescing compound. Let's spray it on the masks and see what happens. I sprayed the mask with a compound that phosphoresces. Imagine every one of those little dots being the result of a sneeze. And this is what it might look like on the inside of a mask. Yuck! That was really scary. But the good news is the outside of the mask doesn't show any of the phosphorescing compound. Some people like to wear their masks like this. But is that going to stop a sneeze? I don't think so. So when you mask, make sure you mask properly. You can protect yourself from other people's sneezes, and you can protect other people from yours. Remember, you don't always have symptoms if you have the disease. So mask up, and let's make everyone safe.